Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a beautiful round floral wedding arch in just 30 minutes. First, let's start assembling the round arch support. This part is pretty straightforward. Simply connect the pieces according to the instruction provided with your arch frame kits. Once the frame is assembled, take a moment to adjust its balance. Ensuring it stands firm and steady is crucial, especially if the arch will be outdoors. This entire process should take about 5 minutes. Next, we'll add the fabric. I'm using a soft flowy material that complements the wedding theme. Drape the fabric evenly over the arch, ensuring both sides are hanging nicely. Secure the fabric with zip ties at the top and the sides, making sure it stays in place while still allowing for some movement. Once the fabric is secured, take a few moments to adjust it, creating gentle waves and folds for a more natural look. Throughout the process, I frequently step back to check the visuals against a reference I created earlier. This helped to ensure that everything looked just right. Now let's add the floral arrangement. I prepared this arrangement ahead of time to save on setup time. Simply attach it to the arch using zip ties. For the final touch, add a fine draping for a touch of elegance. Drape it along the side of the arch and securing it as needed. Don't forget to adjust the fabric at the bottom, making sure it's neat and tidy. And there you have it, a stunning round floral wedding arch, all done in just about 30 minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're inspired to create your own beautiful arch for your special day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with your friend if you like this tutorial.